Hey, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and this is an update on the recipe album. I just wanted to give you guys just a little bit of information. I'm waiting on my pocket pages to get in here. I thought I had some, and I don't. So I had to order some, ladies, so I'm waiting on these to get in here so we can continue our recipe album. And I'm so sorry about that, ladies. I thought I had some, and I went to go dig them out, and nope, I do not have them. So I got a couple more days until they'll be here, and as soon as they get here, we will continue this album. I do have one video that I can go ahead and do. It's the binding for our pocket pages, for the pocket pages to sit in, okay? So I will get that video released. I went ahead. I wasn't going to. I was going to wait till we got our pocket pages, but I'll go ahead and release that video so you guys can be making this while we're waiting on my pocket pages. And again, ladies, I am so sorry, but this is the hinge that we will be using. This is what I'm calling my pocket page hinge, and it's wonderful because it allows your pocket pages to freely flip. Yes, so I will get that released, and that's all I have for you guys for this update. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I didn't want you to think, oh, she's never going to put no more on. So, I'm waiting on them. It'll be a couple of more days. In the meantime, I will go ahead and release the video for the hinge so you guys can be making that. Okay, so we will be talking soon, ladies. Talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Keep scrapping.